कर्नल अब्दुल्ला, आपसे पूछते हैं आपने क्यों ज्वाइन की पाकिस्तान एयरफोर्स और हाई मोमेंट जो है आपकी करियर का वो क्या है? मतलब किस आपको फील हुआ कि यस यही मुझे आना चाहिए?
Actually, there was not only one moment that at that time I would have decided that I am going to join the Pakistan Air Force. I was motivated from the very beginning, from the childhood. It's a dream of every child to fly an airplane, and that too being a fighter jet of having a thrust of 20,000 pounds at your disposal. That's the best feeling in the world that one can have. This was one of the reasons, and the second important reason is that all these resources and all these multi-million-dollar machines are not to be used only for fun. These are to be used for a very important purpose, which is we guys have been trusted with the defense of the aerial defense of our country. So that gives an inner satisfaction as well, that we are doing all these with the sacrifices which we guys are making, or the machines which we are using. These are not in vain. These are being used for a very high cause, that is to defend the aerial frontiers of our country.
राइट सो जो पूरा हमने भी बात की फरवरी के जो इवेंट्स थे वो सब ने एवरीवन में कैमरामैन है टीम है हमें सबको ही उसने इफेक्ट किया बट एयरफोर्स वालों को सारे डायरेक्ट लिंक था तो हाउ डिड यू फील उसके बाद से कोई आपको लगा क्या माहौल क्या था लोग किस तरह से महसूस करते पायलट्स की क्या फीलिंग
It was like a moment of truth coming true for us. This was a moment for which we have been waiting, for which we have been training all of our life.
Yes.
And this is a moment which most of the guys don't get in their life. The people keep on training and they don't get to see the actual enemy although we train with the red enemy as well. We simulate being an enemy. However, to see the actual enemy and to challenge him and then to overcome that enemy, that was one of the best feeling. Although from the word go, once they simulated the strike and then they jettisoned their payloads, from that moment onwards the motivation of the Air Force was at the highest level. From the every man in the Air Force, being let it be a driver or a pilot or an officer of a higher command, everyone was
सब शामिल हो गए उसके अंदर सब आ गए
no one was worried about his rest or any other thing. और हर कोई इधर हम लोग टेक्निकल एरिया में यहाँ पे आके और फिर यहाँ से हमने जो रिस्पांस हमने लॉन्च किया वो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह पूरी दुनिया ने देखा.